I made $4,000 in just 2 days from my agency with the sales call framework that I want to share with you guys. First, I don't have a word for word script. And the reason for that is because you'll suck at doing that. Your prospects are going to know you have a script because the way you're going to be speaking, you're going to be stammering over your words, you're going to be stuttering, it's going to be super obvious. It won't be genuine, it won't be authentic, and it just won't be the real you. You need to be confident and you need to speak with conviction. First things first, your prospect has joined the call. You're both sitting there, you're both like, hey, how are you doing? And then the rapport phase just goes on for way too long. Now you're asking him what the weather is like. It's so nice outside. Where did you go to college? What did you study? What do you do? How many kids do you have? Nice, I've never been there. Where do you live again? Miami. I want to go to Miami. Have you ever been to London? No, London is good. You have to come. Bro, don't do that. Okay, because first, why do you think they are on the call? What led up to them booking a call with you, accepting the time, booking a day to talk to you? You have a solution to their problems. They don't care about the fucking weather. They don't care where you live. They don't care about the kids. They don't care where you went to school. They especially don't care that you didn't go to the country they're living in. No one cares. It shouldn't be going on for that long. That's just too much rapport and you're just digging yourself in a hole. To build rapport, you only ask 2 questions. You say, hey Timon, how's the week going for you so far? Is it off to a good start? They're going to be like, yeah, it's going good. And you don't let them overspeak, okay? Don't let them speak for too long. You need to take control of that conversation. So you fill the gap instantly and you say, amazing, where are you located? They're going to tell you Miami, Arizona, London, wherever they're from. Then I want you to say, awesome, so here's what I want to do. You cut the rapport phase off the sales call with this so. Then I want you to say, I do have some additional questions so we can dive a little bit deeper. Really just want to see if you're the right fit for me. And if you are, that's perfect. If not, I can at least guide you in the right direction. If I do think I can help you out, I'll let you know the offer and the procedure, and you'll just give me a simple yes or no at the end of the call. How does that sound? Now, we go on to the discovery phase. These are perfect because you're now setting the expectation and the tone for the entire rest of the call. Now your prospect knows what you guys are going to go through. Number 1 question should be about pain. This should be the first question. You shouldn't be asking anything else other than this. So first question I like to ask is, what are some challenges you're facing right now that's led you to book this call? Second question is, I ask if there are any more decision makers that need to be present on the call, because we don't want them to then turn around at the end of the call and tell us, I need to talk to my business partner, I need to talk to my spouse. All decision makers need to be on the call because you want to close them on the call, which we'll get into later on in this video. You then ask them about their current situation. So where are they at before getting your help? Where are they at right now? Then I like to ask about their goals. So where do they want to be in the next 90 days, 30 days, 6 months, 12 months? Ask them what the desired situation would look like. Then I ask a question about their past. So have they tried anything else in the past to fix this problem they're having? They'll either tell you they have never tried anything and this is probably the first time they're actually trying to fix the problem, or they'll tell you that they have actually tried to solve it in the past. And if they do say that, ask them, how comes that didn't work out? Okay? Really dig into them pain points. Because once you ask about their pain points, subconsciously, they're now thinking like, oh shit, this situation I'm in is actually kind of fucking bad. I definitely need this guy's help. Because you're just making them realize how bad it actually is. How much they need you, your help, and your service. Then I like to also ask a question about why they can't just do it alone, which then also goes back into the pain points. Why can't they do it alone? For me, some of my clients, one problem they have is they don't have time, they don't know how to do it, they don't have the software to do it, they don't have the knowledge to do it. They'll literally tell you a reason why they can't do it alone, simply because they actually can't do it alone. They don't know how, they have no clue. Also, another good question I like to ask in most cases is, what are your finances looking at? So I usually ask a question like, what revenue are you currently hitting every month? Or what's your annual revenue or your monthly revenue? And you just get to know how much money they're actually making, so you know they can actually afford your service. At the end of the call, it's really important for you to summarize everything you guys just discussed. Because then subconsciously they're thinking like, oh, like this guy actually listened to my problems and my pains. That means they feel heard and they feel listened to. At the end of that, I propose the price, and usually some prospects might say, yeah, that sounds good, let's do it. But you'll occasionally get a person, or not occasionally, a lot of the time you get, oh, that's too expensive. All I want you to do, you just say, it's too expensive. You're going to go back to their pain points. They've just talked about a million pain points, a million problems they're facing. But at the end, it's too expensive. You just go back to their pains. Why are they actually on the call? They're here to solve a problem they've been having for a long fucking time. So re-explain their current situation back to them. Explain the struggles they're going through right now. And I'll say something like, if nothing changes, nothing changes. You're going to continue facing this problem if you don't do anything about it. Make them realize why they're on the call. They're on the call for a reason, right? They're already interested in your service if they have booked a call with you. And then hopefully they reconsider and pay on the call. But then sometimes some people genuinely can't afford to splash out $3,000, $5,000 at one time. I want you as an entrepreneur and as an agency owner, be flexible, all right? You're here to close clients. You're here to build extremely good case studies and results. And if you genuinely think this is the perfect prospect for you, be flexible with the pricing. So tell them like, hey, like I don't mind splitting up the payment within 3 months. For example, your price is $4,500. You could be like, hey, Mr. Prospect, I'll be happy to do $1,500 for 3 months to make it a little bit more affordable for you. And explain that you want to make it as easy as possible for you and your prospect to work together because you really believe you can help them crush that problem they're having. I usually just send them a Stripe link, which they pay on the call. I'm happy, they're happy. And then after that, I send the contract over to them. I don't send the contract beforehand because I don't want it to be too overwhelming. So just make sure you send the contract after they have paid. And then from there, get them pumped, get them excited. They're your client now, okay? They've just paid you. We don't want them to get buyer's remorse because that's really bad. So text them after 5-10 minutes or even straight after the call and be like, hey man, it was great speaking. I'm super pumped and excited to kickstart this and I look forward to working together. Just something along those lines. Send that to them. You don't want them to have any slight bit of buyer's remorse and you want them to be confident and extremely happy about the decision of having paid you and working with you. If you guys want me to make a video specifically on service delivery and communication and all that good stuff, let me know in the comments. If there's anything else I haven't mentioned that you want me to talk about, let me know in the comments because I've definitely went past that hurdle myself with my agency. So I'm sure I can help you. I'll catch you guys in the next video.